To ensure the security and integrity of your DigitalOcean droplets, it is essential to implement a robust backup strategy. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of creating and managing backups for your DigitalOcean droplets. First, understand the importance of backups in preventing data loss due to unforeseen events such as system failures or user errors. DigitalOcean provides several backup options, including automated backups and snapshots. Automated backups are managed by DigitalOcean and occur weekly, while snapshots are manual backups that you can create at any time. To create a snapshot, navigate to the DigitalOcean control panel, select the droplet you want to backup, and click on the Snapshots tab. Then, click on the Take Snapshot button and wait for the snapshot to complete. You can also use the DigitalOcean API or command line tools to create snapshots programmatically. In addition to snapshots, you can also use third-party tools and services to back up your droplets. These tools often provide more flexibility and customization options than DigitalOcean's built-in backup features. For example, you can use a tool like Duplicate to create backups of your droplets file system and store them in a cloud storage service like Amazon S3. Best practices for droplet backups include creating regular snapshots, testing your backups regularly, and storing your backups in a secure and accessible location. It is also a good idea to create a backup schedule that balances the need for frequent backups with the need to minimize storage costs. By following these tips and best practices, you can ensure that your DigitalOcean droplets are properly backed up and that your data is safe in case of an emergency. Remember to always prioritize backups and take the time to test and verify that your backups are working correctly. This will give you peace of mind and help you to avoid data loss due to unforeseen events.